Hi everyone, welcome to level 2, our business analyst crash course. In this level, we focus on understanding UI components like forms, buttons, screens, and how users interact with them. Today, I'm going to show you one worksheet demo just like do in the course, okay? So why UI understanding is matter? Let's understand this one first. So UI is not just about the page look. Okay, UI stand for user interface. Okay, it's how user interact with the system, because when you go to a shop, first you see the display, right? So that's how the website or application, mobile apps, any apps are ordered. First you interact with what you can see. So that's a UI, very important. You have to learn how to document how the UI works. Okay, that's our main focus. And how system responds, like when as a user, when you provide input or parameters. Okay, so every business analyst must understand fields, button forms, and screens. This knowledge help you write accurate requirements and catch the issue even before development. So that's the main idea. Okay, so you're going to do 30 worksheets similar to level 1 and going to complete. So weekly, you can take 2 days. Each session is 45 minutes. You can work with me to complete your worksheet. And rest days, other days, you can complete by your own and you can bring back to me. I can take a look and we can move forward. Okay, so that's a plan. So you have 30 worksheet for this level also. So let's take one example here. So here this is a registration form. So pretty much we can first do the practical, then we can document. So my idea is we can open an email account. We can take any email account opening. So you don't need to have a separate software. We can pretty much use the email sign up and email registration for our throughout the practical. Okay? So you're gonna continue the scenario registration form. So with a full name, email, password, or confirm or submit button, terms and conditions. Okay. So the main task is here, identify all UI components, write test steps for each field, and write expected results. Okay, sample step I'll show you. You'll write enter full name for the email, the name field, right? Expected results, full name field accept up to 50 characters known. So I explained to you, you will understand. But when you do 30 times, right, like repeatedly, so when you train your brain doing again and again and different flows, and that will go to your memory, right? So that's the idea is, so if I say 50 characters, no numbers are allowed, it's just a theory. So you will do it first and then you will document it and you will test and you will document. Okay, that's the plan. Okay, so the key lesson here, takeaways here, understanding the UI helps you spot missing fields, right? And incorrect validation, errors early. So it's also prepare you to write clear requirements and that developers can follow. So this slide show how UI knowledge links to business logic and system flow, right? So UI, business logic, and system workflow. Okay, so this is, if you don't understand these things, and you cannot write user stories clearly, right? So that's why instead of we learn user story, first we understand how software is working, application is working today, and how we can learn how to write. How first we need to know what is the system behavior, and second, importantly, how to document this. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next level. Thank you.